Top 25 Java interview questions and answers in 2024. Java stands out as the predominant and extensively employed programming language globally. Conceived by the collaborative efforts of James Gosling, Patrick Naughton, and Mike Sheridan in 1991 during their tenure at Netscape Communications, Java has evolved into one of the fundamental pillars of web technologies.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Its status as a high-level language underscores its significance in the IT landscape, boosting first-class functions and promising prospects for the future. OOPS concepts in Java further contribute to its versatility, allowing developers to leverage object-oriented programming principles for efficient and modular code development. Top Java interview questions and answers. 1. Define class in Java. In Java, a class is a template used to create objects and define their data type of them. It acts as a building block for Java language-oriented system. 2. Explain the difference between dynamic and static loading. Static class loading involves the creation of objects and instances using new keywords, and dynamic class loading is done when the name of the class is not known at compile time. 3. What is multi-threading? It is a programming concept that allows running multiple tasks within one single program in a concurrent manner. 4. When and by whom was Java developed? Java was developed in 1995 by James Gosling. 5. What do JVM, JRE, and JDK stand for? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. 6. Does Java use pointers? No, Java doesn't use pointers. It has tough security. Instead of pointers, references are used in Java as they are safer and more secure when compared to a pointer. 7. Explain the steps involved in connecting to a database in Java. Below are the steps to connect to a database in Java. Registering the drivers class. Creating connection. Creating statement. Executing queries. Closing connection. 8. Explain the functions of JVM and JRE. The function of JVM is to offer a runtime environment for Java bytecodes to be executed. And JRE includes the sets of files required by JVM during its runtime. 9. Explain the difference between overloading and overriding. Overloading occurs when there are two methods of the same name but different properties. When there are two methods of the same name and properties, one is in the child class and the other is in the parent class, overriding occurs. 10. What is the default size of the load factor in the hashing-based collection? The default size is 0.75 and the default capacity is computed as initial capacity * load factor. 11. What is a package? A package is a collection of related classes and interfaces. 12. What is the superclass of all exception classes? Java. Lang. Throwable is the superclass of all exception classes. In Java, all exception classes are derived from this base class. 13. Explain the difference between equals and is equal to. The equals method is used for checking the equality of two objects defined by business logic. Is equal to aka the equality operator is used to compare objects and primitives. 14. State two differences between inner class and subclass. Inner classes must be in the same file, whereas the subclass can be in different files. And subclass have the methods of their parent class, but the inner classes can get the methods they want. 15. How are destructors defined in Java? Java has its garbage collection. This means that no destructors are required to be defined in Java. Destruction of objects is an automated process that is performed by the garbage collection mechanism. 16. Define JSO. JSO is an acronym for JavaScript Object Notation. It uses JavaScript syntax. The format in JSO is text only. 17. What is the most important feature of Java? The most important feature of Java is that it is a platform-independent language. 18. What is an anonymous class? The class that is defined in a single line of code using a new keyword and without a name is anonymous. 19. What is a JVM? JVM is a Java virtual machine which is a runtime environment for the compiled Java class files. 20. Can a dead thread be started again? No, a thread that is in the dead state can't be started again. 21. Are arrays of primitive data types? No. In Java, arrays are objects. 22. What are constructors in Java? In Java, the constructor is a block of code that is used to initialize an object. 23. What are the types of constructors? There are two types of constructors. Default constructor. Parameterized constructor. 24. Explain garbage collection in Java. In Java, when an object is no longer used or referenced, garbage collection is called and the object is destroyed automatically. 25. What's the difference between stack and queue? The difference between a stack and a queue is that stack is based on the last in first out (LIFO) principle and a queue is based on FIFO first in first out principle.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.